Can't do it?
No, you're just in the way. There you go.
What's going on, everybody? I'm out here with Greg at Planet Spacenet, and I haven't posted in a while, so let's clear that up first. If you look at this peg leg I'm wearing and the boot, I actually broke my heel bone about a month and a half, almost 2 months ago. So I've been working on that, but getting back into it now a little bit. I'm starting to walk soon, hopefully, and we'll be back to regularly scheduled videos. But for now, I wanted to introduce the Spacenet that is almost finished. So you can see right here where Greg is standing, this is the only spot we have left to fill in. It's about maybe 15 to 20 square feet left, but look at everything we've done. It is coming along really nicely. This is just me walking around here. Dog for scale. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. So I've enjoyed making the Spacenet so much that I'm gonna make another one. It's not as big, but on this next one, I'm gonna go through it entirely and make videos on what it is I'm doing, because having made 2 Spacenets now, I've learned a lot. I know what not to do next time. I know what I should do next time. And there's not a ton of information on Spacenets out there, so I thought I'd throw a little bit out there. Very quickly, there are 2 things. If you're wondering whether you should make a Spacenet, here's kind of what I thought. So if you've got a lot of time on your hands, you got a little bit of extra money, and you want to start a fun new project, then you should definitely make a Spacenet. Now, on the other hand, if you don't have a lot of time and money's a little lacking, then you should still make a Spacenet and do it with your friends. This isn't something that has to be done quickly, and it's a lot of fun. You'll learn a really cool project. You're almost kind of delving into art a little bit, even as a non-artist myself. It's kind of cool. So yeah, should definitely make a Spacenet, and I'll be posting videos on how to do that from start to finish. Soon we'll be buying new material and make a video on that. So stay tuned for those. That'll be a new series that I'm going to start on this channel. And yeah, hope to see you guys soon. Before you think that this is too difficult a thing to do if you're a beginner or whatever, I'm gonna tell you it's not. It's really simple and it's a lot of fun. You almost get into this flow when you're weaving. So I'm just gonna weave a piece of string here as an example. I'm not really gonna go over it. I'll do that in a future video, but just so you could see the process a little bit. You just kind of go through some strings here. Make sure nothing gets missed. And yeah, you just hit this flow. It's a ton of fun. You won't regret making a net. And just kind of going through it, working in the shade. It's a nice, beautiful, sunny day. What else can you ask for? So it's really very simple. Just need some paracord. You need to choose something for your perimeter. We're using am steel in this case, but you could use static rope or something else. So yeah, drop down in the comments below what you'd like to see, what questions you've always had about Spacenet making, and I'll try to make some videos about it. So yeah, we're gonna get back to work now. You guys can go back to what you were doing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit some buttons down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.